So I know what a lot of you might be thinking. What's he laying on? This box here? This? It's simple. Check it out. That's a 2020 sleeper. That's right. I'm about to show you what's good. Check this out. Very first step when you're building your bike, you want to cut these. Make sure you save them because they're really important. You're going to need them later, okay? As you can see, you're probably a little overwhelmed at this point. You're probably a little astonished. But it's just a bike. I'm just a normal person, you know. It's nothing crazy. For real, it's hot. Check this out. Yeah, that's right. We work hard around here. Do a lot of hard work, and a lot of times there's an insufficiency of these. Yeah, where they at? It is what it is, you know, we get a little tired.
Rockstar, look us up.
Yeah. I like to leave all this nonsense on here. Pop it in my stand. Get out of here, Nordy, we're doing something. Check it out. New Fit FU non-directionals. The reason that there's this knobbiness on there, you can thank me later for that. I'm serious. Okay. All this, rip it off. That's just so they don't mess it up. So these bikes, listen, they come from a factory as a frame and the wheels and shit, and then someone's got to assemble it. Then someone puts that shit in a box. Then they mail that to a guy. Then that guy sends it in a boat. Then that boat gets picked up by a guy. And then that guy puts it in a truck. And then that guy takes it from the truck like this. And that's why you gotta have all this stuff. Because one of those steps can mess it up.
Yeah.
Bars. This is really where you control the whole bike, you know what I'm saying? So this is an important step. Boom! Centering your bars is overrated. Wherever they land is wherever they land. Also, who threw a heart-shaped rock through our window? While we're here, maybe thought I'd ask. Now we're getting real. Let's see where she comes with. As you can see, we got the fully adjustable pivotal seat and seat post here. Who else complete rocking like that? The thing about my seat is, it's really dope. Fully adjustable pivotal aftermarket fit seat, along with this pivotal seat post here. I don't know, there's a lot of completes out here. I can see them. I don't know how many come with this though. We got 4 pegs. That's right, because you can hop on this bike right when you get it and shred. No questions asked. Some reflectors. I don't know who wants the reflectors, but I don't. Then we got the Mac PCs. They also have reflectors, but might get rid of those. That's my favorite thing about being here at Epic Bike Shop. They have all the tools you need. How come pedals are threaded opposite ways? I've heard people say, oh, it's because they'll unscrew. Fuck whoever unscrewed them. Non-directional tires, you don't gotta worry about which way your front one goes. I like it. I don't like to think too hard, you know? 40 pounds should do it. See how that bend? That bend to me, it spells unresponsiveness. So what we're gonna do is make that little angle a little more straight. See that? Use a you know, wrench or whatever the fuck I got right here. Clampies. And you see more of a 90-degree straight cable here. Just bend that puppy in. Oh my god.
What did you do?
Another reason why I love this place. That's why I love it down here at Epic. You know, we got Master Fu here. He's gonna dial in my brakes because I thought I was dope, thought I could handle it. Clearly I was wrong. Fu dialed my brakes in. Check it out. Sick. I'm getting the pegs going. One of the best parts about this entire bike is the fact that it comes with a free coaster. Check it out. You got the coaster, as you can see. You got left and right hand options. Check out these pegs. Too fire. Then you simply reinstall it. Easy peasy.
Look at this. Look at this.
We've opened it up. We got way more slack. See that? It's like I'm a mechanic or something. Great. Damn. Yeah. So here you have it. The brand new sleeper. Check it out. So, to start, my favorite place to start, the fresh ice blue rims. Listen, you can't get any cleaner than this. You got the sealed hubs front and rear. You already know. You already know it's a free coaster back here too. So don't be scared to get fucking moving, alright? You got the 25mm offset forks. For all you US citizens, that's only an inch. You got your classic fit top load stem, 49mm reach. I don't know how tall it is, but you can use your eyes. It's pretty good. Then you got these handlebars, these fine select handlebars that I chose. 30 inches wide for you wide boys out there. 9 inches tall. That's what I ride. That's what I like. That's why I picked it. My favorite thing about this bike this year is the 21-inch top tube. So, for all you big boys out there, you're gonna fit right on this hog. No problem. That's the size I ride. I'll take this down fucking the San Juan 97 set right now. You got the 170mm cranks. You got the new design sprocket, 25. You got the 9-tooth driver in the rear. We got these big ass Fit Mac pedals, they're aftermarket. You got the full adjustable seat post with the pivotal seat. This is called the bar stool seat. You already know, 4 pegs all around. You can take girls on the pegs if you want. You can have a picnic with your family as long as there's only 3 people in your family. You got the most solid complete around, listen. It's like I'm in the NBA, that's a basketball. It's modern street BMX spec. And what that means is you got the 75.5-degree head tube angle, nice and steep for you nose wheelie kings out there. In the back end, we got it at 13.25, because to me, you can still, you know, jump a ramp, jump a dirt, jump a bowl. But this is mainly, I think, for shredding street rails and being super dope. So basically, that's the bike. Brand new Fit Sleeper 2020. Frankly, I've had enough of this goddamn camera in my face, so I'm gonna go shred. But thanks for checking this hog out.